equivalent to filling a football stadium with 3 million pounds of bananas daily.
Most people would throw these in the trash, but here, the uglier the banana, the more valuable it becomes. At this speed, a new loaf is born every 0.5 seconds. But how do they keep it tasting like homemade heaven?
Today, we reveal the hidden science of the infinite moistness, a process that home bakers simply cannot replicate. Later, we'll see why these freezing tanks hold the key to the bread's scent. But first, we start with the arrival. Artificial intelligence scans every peel. If the sugar content isn't exactly 22%, the banana is rejected. This custom-built extractor does the work of 5,000 people, stripping the fruit in a fraction of a second. Consistency is king. This mash must be perfectly smooth to ensure every bite of the million loaves is identical. Test for bricks, the sugar density. This is the difference between a dry cake and a perfect moist loaf. The sugar levels locked in, the pulp surges through these veins at a speed that would crush a human bone. But a million loaves need more than just fruit. It needs a mountain of flour sifted to a precision of microns. One tiny clump of flour can ruin 100 loaves. We use ultrasonic vibrations to make the flour behave like water. This is the collision, the moment the ingredients stop being a list and start becoming a product. Rise. Too much rise and it collapses. Too little and it's a brick. The margin for error is less than 1 gram. To keep it moist for weeks without preservatives, we use the science of emulsification. Mixing at this scale creates enough heat to bake the bread right in the tank. We have to fight physics to keep it cool. And then, the crunch. We don't just dump them, we rain them down to ensure no slice is left empty. Flowing. In 1 hour, this will be 50,000 hot loaves, but first it has to be divided with surgical precision. A river of batter is useless without control. These metering gates split the flow with surgical precision. Below, a secondary army of steel pans arrives. If they are even a millisecond late, the entire floor is covered in wasted gold. Precision is the law here. A single gram of overfill across a million loaves means thousands of dollars in lost profit. Now, the texture. A rain of premium walnuts falls. But how do they keep them from sinking to the bottom? The factory uses vibration frequencies to level the batter perfectly. This is why every loaf you buy looks identical. Hidden air pockets are the enemy. One bubble can ruin the structural integrity of the entire slice. Now, they enter the heat. A 200-foot gauntlet of fire where the chemistry of the banana bread finally begins. If the pans are too cold, the bread won't rise. If they're too hot, the bottom burns before the middle cooks. This isn't just baking, it's a chemical masterpiece. At exactly 300 degrees, the surface undergoes the Notice that crack on top? That's the sign of a perfect rise. The edge is set in stone while the heart of the loaf still wants to grow. Timing is everything when you're making a million loaves. 1 second too long and it's dry, 1 second too short and it's dough. Incredible, but at this scale it's actually a logistical challenge. We move 100,000 cubic feet of banana-scented air every minute. Humans might miss a shade of brown, but the lasers don't. Every loaf must hit the exact hex code of perfectly baked. The chemical reaction is violent. Millions of tiny gas bubbles fight to lift the heavy weight of the bananas. Check the heart of the loaf. If the core isn't exactly 205 degrees, the texture won't hold that moisture you love. Leaving the heat is a delicate move. A sudden chill would make these loaves collapse like a soufflé. This is the vertical forest of bread. Thousands of loaves spiraling 3 stories high just to catch their breath. Here is the real challenge. How do you slice a million loaves of soft, sticky bread without making a single crumb? Conventional knives would tear this soft crumb apart. Instead, we use sound. These blades vibrating. It's molecular separation. By eliminating friction, we eliminate crumbs, keeping every gram of flavor inside the slice. A million loaves a day, consistency is king. If a slice is even a millimeter off, the system flags it instantly. Too much air means less banana flavor. Our X-ray sensors hunt for voids that could ruin your morning snack. The moment the bread is sliced, it begins to die. Oxygen is now the enemy. We have exactly 60 seconds to seal in the soul of the loaf. We don't use heavy preservatives. Instead, we use an invisible shield. Pure nitrogen replaces the air, locking the bread in a time capsule of freshness. At 400 degrees, the seal is forged. Nothing gets in, and more importantly, that fresh-baked aroma never gets out.
Listen for the snap. If the seal isn't drum tight, the whole loaf is discarded. We don't take chances with your first bite.
Now, the second skin. These robots move faster than a human eye can track, prepping the bread for its journey across the country. Fingerprint. We can track this loaf back to the exact farm where its bananas were picked. But who is watching the millions of loaves leaving tonight?
If these loaves stayed hot for even a minute too long, they'd turn into a dry, crumbly mess. To save the moisture, we use a controlled thermal shock. It's not just air, it's a calculated atmosphere. We force the moisture back into the bread's heart, sealing it in forever.
Ruin the perfect slice. Our sonic scanners see through the bread like an X-ray, ensuring every millionth loaf is identical.
At this speed, we are processing 10,000 loaves every hour. One mistake here creates a traffic jam of epic proportions.
These robots handle the weight of a small car every few minutes. They don't get tired, and they never miss the mark.
Before they leave, they are sealed in a polymer shield. This is what keeps that fresh-baked smell trapped inside until you open it at home.
This is the bread cathedral. Millions of dollars worth of banana bread, organized by an AI that knows exactly where every single loaf is located.
But the weekend catcher. But through a secret thermal curve, ours stay soft for 60 days.
Precision is everything. A single gram of difference, and the whole system stops. We don't ship mistakes.
The doors are open. Millions of loaves are heading to your breakfast table right now. But would you trust bread that stays fresh for 2 months? Tell us in the comments.
This isn't just baking, it's a military-grade logistical operation. Every second is tracked to ensure maximum freshness.
How does a mass-produced loaf feel like it came straight from your grandmother's oven? The secret lies back at the source.
In this lab, moisture is a science. If the water content is off by even 1%, the entire batch is rejected.
It must be soft enough to melt in your mouth, but tough enough to survive a 3,000-mile journey.
Remember that perfect flavor we mentioned? It starts here, in a vault where time is manipulated to create the ultimate sweetness. We use natural gases to force a chemical transformation. This is where the starch dies and the sugar is born.
Doing this by hand would take a village. This machine does it in a heartbeat. Waste? Not in this factory. Yesterday's peels are literally the fuel that bakes today's bread.
5,000 gallons of pure fruit. This is the heart of the recipe, and it never stops flowing. Some people want it smooth, others want the chunks. Which side are you on? Tell us in the comments, because the next step changes everything. Texture isn't just about the fruit. To keep millions of loaves from falling apart, a secret emulsifier is added to glue the fats and fibers together. Next comes the protein. We're talking 10,000 eggs every single minute, delivered via a high-pressure refrigerated pipeline.
This isn't just oil, it's a laser-measured moisture barrier. It's the reason that last bite is as soft as the first, even weeks later. It's staggering. In this vortex, 5 tons of ingredients are fused into a single, perfectly balanced batter. These blades spin at 6,000 RPM. They don't just mix, they atomize every dry particle to ensure the bread is flawlessly smooth, where a single millimeter deviation could scrap a 5-ton batch.
It must rest. These tiny bubbles are the secret to that airy, light-as-a-cloud texture.
The batter is now ready for its final journey. It travels through miles of stainless steel towards the firing line.
But first, the pans. A laser-guided mist of non-stick oil ensures that not a single crumb is left behind when these loaves are finished. This is the moment of truth. 50 loaves a second, filled with mathematical precision. But what happens inside the heat of the mega oven? But uneven batter means an uneven bake. These pans hit a high-frequency vibration zone to kill air bubbles instantly.
They enter the Dragon's Maw, a 200-foot continuous convection tunnel where the magic happens.
350 degrees, the sugars caramelize and the bread gasps for air, creating that iconic cracked dome.
Laser probes measure the height in real time. If it doesn't rise exactly 2 inches, the whole batch is flagged. The smell is incredible, but factory-grade vents must suck out the moisture to keep the crust from getting soggy.
20 minutes later they emerge, molten gold. Every single one is a mirror image of the last.
No human hands touch these. Vacuum suction cups lift 100 loaves at once, separating them in a blink. To prevent sogginess, they head to the spiral cooling towers, a vertical mile of bread cooling in the open air.
After a mile-long journey in the air, gravity takes over. The loaves descend from the ceiling, moving at speeds that would crumble homemade bread.
Knives are too slow. We use sound. Ultrasonic blades vibrating 20,000 times a second.
In this factory, there is no such thing as a thick or thin slice. Every piece is exactly 12 millimeters. Consistency isn't a goal, it's a law.
Looks can be deceiving. Our infrared eyes peer inside the bread to find hidden air bubbles or clumped nuts that shouldn't be there.
Without chemicals, we remove the air. Nitrogen is injected seconds before sealing, locking the moisture in for weeks.
The branding happens in a blur. 300 labels every minute, identifying the loaf before it even stops moving.
They need armor. Robotic arms group the loaves into cases, preparing them for a journey across the continent.
It's truly terrifying. A single robot stacks 50 cases every minute, creating towers of banana bread that dwarf the worker.
By the time the sun comes up, 1 million loaves are ready. But here's the question. How many bananas do you think it took to make this entire warehouse full of bread?
To move 1 million loaves, the factory doesn't just bake. It operates a private city of logistics.
Every second counts. A single delay in this loading bay ripples across 3 states by sunrise. But
The secret isn't just the bake, it's the atmosphere. If the humidity shifts by 5%, the texture is ruined.
But how does it stay soft for weeks without a single artificial preservative? The answer lies in the banana itself.
To the exact hour, we trigger a natural enzyme that locks moisture into the fiber. Science mimicking nature. From the factory floor to your breakfast table in less than a day, 1 million loaves gone an instant.
Whether you are in Maine or California, the experience is identical. That is the true miracle of this scale.
We often think machines take the soul out of food, but to feed 1 million people perfectly, every machine must have a heart of precision.
Now that you've seen how 1 million are made, tell us, do you eat yours plain, or is butter mandatory? Let us know in the comments.
the machines never stop. The hunger never ends. Subscribe to see what we bake next.
While the world sleeps, this facility is a heart that never stops beating. 40,000 loaves every hour, 24 hours. Volume means nothing without the homemade feel. A precision misting system locks in the moisture that makes this bread legend. They aren't trash. They are converted into biofuel, literally powering the very ovens that bake the next batch. From oven to transport in under 2 hours, ensuring the bread you buy today was in the mixer just yesterday.
This is the result of 1 million moving parts working in perfect harmony. A slice that feels like it came straight from your grandmother's oven.
One recipe, 15% of the entire nation's supply. It is a feat of modern engineering hidden in a simple... Next time you see a loaf on the shelf, remember the millions of pounds of bananas and the incredible journey they took to get there.
The cycle never ends. As these loaves head to your table, the next million are just beginning their journey.
Does seeing the scale change the way you taste it? Tell us in the comments. Do you prefer your banana bread toasted with butter or plain? Don't forget